I've always wanted a tablet. As a full-time content creator, there are many times where I wish I had something small that I could just grab and take notes on. And of course, I could do this with my phone, but the notes that I'm trying to take are often visual. I want to be able to either write down or draw or a combination of both, or even have like precise sketching done. Maybe I'm taking measurements for a DIY project. Maybe I'm visualizing my next 3D print and I really need to have proper tools for that. So I got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE and I had to compare it to so many other tablets before deciding on it. It was just a perfect tablet for me and of course my budget. I don't think I would mind spending more if I felt like everything else was justified for my own personal use. I was initially looking at an iPad Pro or even an iPad Mini. The reason why I didn't go with an iPad Pro is that I realized quickly that I have 3 powerful laptops and I wasn't going to replace them with a tablet. So I didn't really need what I would call the best of tablets. iPad Pro or let's say the Samsung Galaxy S9 that just came out. So the screen size is 12.4 inches, which is pretty big. You're watching the unboxing in the background, but I've had it for about a week now. And my first impression was, wow, this feels like an expensive piece of glass and I'm so afraid of dropping it. The design is nice, it looks great, it feels great to hold, but at the same time, it feels like I'm gonna drop it. So I immediately ordered a case for it, which I will have a video on installing it and reviewing it. I also ordered a tempered glass screen protector just to make sure I didn't scratch or dent or do anything to the original screen. I will also have a video on how to install that. But overall, my experience has been just fantastic with this tablet. There are so many options with the Android OS, including multitasking options, which are great. The S Pen unlocks even more stuff, and also the S Pen came with the tablet, which is amazing. I don't have to spend an extra $100 on the pen. There's just one thing that I regret is that I bought this from Amazon directly. Cool, it came with the S Pen. But Samsung is actually running a deal at the time of recording of this video at least, where they give you like the Galaxy Buds for free if you buy from them from their website directly, and I just didn't know about that. I just wasn't aware. So I bought this for about 530 euros. And I realized that in the US it's way cheaper. Also in the UK it seems to be a little cheaper, but to me it was worth it. Considering that my 258 gigs SD card was about $24, screen protector was something like 15 bucks, and then the case was I believe 17 bucks. I do not have a Bluetooth keyboard yet. I do not find the need for it yet, but maybe eventually I will get a case that comes with a keyboard or just buy a separate keyboard on its own. But yeah, if you want to get one, there will be a link in the description. Of course, there will be a link for the US and also for the UK. This was just the unboxing, and eventually as I learn more about it, I will potentially make a full review. Have a great day. Bye-bye.